Hi, this is Kelly from Petica Kelly and Play Learn Talk, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your own custom cover cards for your memory match game. This is the second version of a memory match game that we are making, and if you are not already subscribed, please subscribe right now so you are notified as soon as the next video in this series is posted. So today I'm going to show you my custom cover cards, which include a puzzle piece clip art, and I'm also going to show you two other versions that you can just make in your workstation, okay? So one with a solid color and then one with a solid color and border. So really what you need to do today is decide who your character is for your game and then what kind of background you want for your cover card. So I'm going to start out with my puzzle piece clip art one. So you can see here I actually have 6 different images that are going to make up a night sky. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do one of just stretching it out. Okay, so you just basically insert it in and then you're going to stretch it out across the card like that. Okay, and then that would be done. We just need to put our character on top. Okay, so we're going to come and grab our character that we also inserted in. Remember in the last video I said, okay, hey, have an extra page where you can put your clip art to start with. That's this page here. So I'm going to grab him, Command C. And then I'm going to come over to my first photo and do Command V. Okay, I obviously need to size him down. So I'm going to size him just to fit into the square. So now that he fits in that space, I am going to do Command C and then Command V on all the other photos. Okay, so at this point, I would be ready to actually export all of these 6 images as, as JPEGs or PNGs. It does not matter, okay? So to do that, I would come up to File and then go to Export Images, and then I'm going to specify 6 through 11. Okay, now I would select PNG if I wanted the background to be transparent, but our image is covering the entire slide, so we don't need to worry about it. It can be a JPEG. Okay, so we would be done with it at that point and ready to import them. So let me go ahead and show you how to do a solid color. So here is the example right here. I'll show you from the start. So I'm just going to grab a shape, and then I'm going to just stretch that shape across the card. Okay, and I'm going to make it black. And then I'm going to go and grab the bat. And actually, since we already sized it down, we can just grab this one, Command C, Command V. Okay, and then I would not make 6 duplicates of this because that would be wasting our time, right? We only need 1. So if you're keeping it all this image, then you know, that's all you would need. Now, if you want to specify a number, maybe you want to put a little number somewhere on the card or in the center of the animal. So we can do this right here. Let's make it black, and then we'll duplicate it, and we'll make this one white, and then we'll change the opacity down, and then we can put a number. So we'll grab some text. Let's say number 1, and then we want to size it up. So you could do that. Oh, I gave an exclamation point. So number 1, okay, and then you could put that in the center. And then you're going to, if you're numbering them, then you're going to have to duplicate this whole entire slide. So you're saving yourself time. Command C, Command V, and then all you have to change is the number. Okay, so you can do that 6 times. Okay, so we'll just do that right now. Okay, so now I need to change this to 4 and change this to 5. Oops. Change this to 5 and then change this to 6. Okay, so you could do it that way. Now, the other variation I was going to show you is with a border. If you like how it looks here, but you just wanted to add a border, that's pretty easy to do, okay? But if you're happy with how it looks like this, you can go ahead and follow the same process of exporting it. So File, Export, and then Images, and then just, you know, save a name, okay? But let's go ahead and put a border on it. So we can come over here to this shape, and we can just go like this. And we're going to make that black as well, and we'll send it back. And then this one, let's actually make it the color of the bat, like a little blue color, like this. Okay, so that was our bigger slide, so we're going to send that one back. So now you see we have a little blue border around the edges. So that's just another way you can make the card a little bit more personalized. Yeah, so then they'd be ready to export. So you would just do that with all of them. Now, if you're doing the border, if you know from the start you want the border, I would do that as your first step. So you're going to have basically a square on the bottom with the color that's matching your character. You can layer on top a darker color to make your character pop out, and then you would, you know, add your bat onto it. Okay, and then you'd add on your layered circles and your number, and then you'd make all, all 6 of them and export them out. So I hope this is helpful for you. The next tutorial will be out tomorrow at 12:30, and we will be going into the Boom workstation and actually coding everything, and should be able to be done with our game, I would imagine. Okay, so leave a comment below if you are enjoying this so far, and please, share it with anyone who'd also enjoy watching and following along with us. All right, bye.